Storm Team meteorologist Michael Haynes for another check at weather. Michael, I mean, as long as they stay hydrated, it's going to be a pretty good day for this.
That's right, Jen. It is June, and the June Jam will go on as scheduled. Very little rain chances here this afternoon across central Alabama. That includes DeKalb County. Looking live from the BJCC over Jefferson County, we have temperatures already starting out in the upper 60s. The current temperature in Birmingham at 68. Calm conditions, and all across the central part of the state. Tuscaloosa running in the middle 60s. That also applies to Northport. Jasper, Coleman in the lower 60s. It feels fairly pleasant in Hamilton, farther to the northwest along I-22 at 59, while Gadsden and Etowah County in the lower 60s. Same thing, Asheville, Anniston, Gadsden in the middle 60s. But rest assured, all of us will warm up, and we'll do so very quickly today. Plenty of June sunshine, and that will push our highs well into the low, even a few middle 90s possible, especially West Alabama. Tuscaloosa, we're projecting low to middle 90s. Same thing, Fayette, as we progress a little bit farther to the east. Perhaps not quite as hot over the eastern part of the state, but we're only talking about a couple degrees lower compared to West Alabama. So this is our future cast, how the radar and satellite will look today. One thing I want to point out, notice this wind coming in from the northeast, that light breeze. That will keep our humidity levels tolerable for this time of the year, meaning that at least the heat index not as much of a factor. A couple of showers or thunderstorms possible this afternoon, but most of us will stay dry today. But during the day tomorrow, we'll have a better opportunity for some isolated to scattered, mainly afternoon thunderstorms. So for outdoor activities, Saturday today looking like the best bet, but it will not be a washout tomorrow. But anything that does develop will be capable of producing some heavy downpours, also frequent lightning. So please just have a plan B during the day Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening, as those thunderstorms will push on through here. A tropical storm Arlene, sustained winds now at 40 miles per hour, moving southeast throughout the southern part of the Gulf of Mexico, heading toward Cuba and continuing to weaken. So for all the beaches, we're looking just fine. This system farther enough to the south, and on top of it, not strong enough to cause any type of significant rip currents. That's something that's changed compared to the expectations earlier this week. So Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, going forward throughout the weekend and the first part of next week, we'll have temperatures in the middle 80s and some very nice weather for the Alabama beaches and the Florida Panhandle. So for this afternoon, just plain old hot and steamy, a couple of thunderstorms possible, but the coverage of those storms will increase in coverage by Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. Now, if you're going to the Stallions game this afternoon at 2 o'clock, just keep yourself hydrated for that final home game of the season, because it's going to remain very hot. And the Barons playing at 6:30, continuing the series against the Mississippi Braves, and the temperatures will slowly drop throughout that game. Very little chance for rain. From one day to the next, the rain chances will fluctuate heading into next week, but the heat, it's not going to fluctuate much at all. We'll have highs near 90 each and every day with morning lows in the mid to upper 60s, Jen.
Prepare accordingly. Your time 5